So now that I got everything functional, this is the Davidson pie chart. Um, it is a important factor of what you're going to need to learn for test taking purposes. You can do this math without this chart, but this chart helps out a lot. If you're having problems in your test, draw it out. It's going to be on your formula sheet. Pounds per day is on the top. That's at 100% purity. So only time you're dealing with 100% purity is gas chlorine. So if it calls out a different purity, you're going to have to adjust that top one to the purity. Okay. So to get the top, you're going to times across the bottom. So flow in MGD, so million gallons per day. So you're going to take, let's just say you get an answer of 300,000 gallons. So you need to convert that from 300,000 to a million gallons. So you would turn that into, so if a million is 1.0, it'd be 0.3 MGD. Okay, so your dose then depends on what you got for your dose, whatever they say. You may be missing that component, and we'll go over that in just a second. But you have the dose. So let's just say the dose was 3, so you're going to times your 0.3 times 3, and then you're going to times that by 8.34, and then you're going to get the top number. Okay? And then that's obviously purity. And I apologize for the camera fading in and out. It doesn't like TV screens. Okay. So, on the top, if you have the top number, but you're missing either the MGD or your dose, you're going to times whatever you got left over. So if you're going to times MGD by 8.34 or your dose by 8.34, and then you're going to divide the top number by that number, and then that's going to give you your missing pie section. Okay? So if you're bad at math and you're taking the test, like I used to be, you're going to go, and the easiest way to do it is going to give you 4 answers. If you're not good at running this chart multiple ways, you are going to want to run it one way. So you times, say you're missing a dose. Okay, you're just going to times each answer until you find one that matches your chemical feed with your percentage. Just remember your percentage. Okay. Otherwise, because they may give you a correct answer if you times it across, but you need to have the percentage. Okay, so this is the de facto information you need as far as for taking water, wastewater, distribution. You need this. If you don't have it, then you're going to have some issues. Okay, so there's also other different formulas you can pack into the same one. The ABC formula sheet's really good for that. Like I said, make sure you verify that. We'll go over some other math in just a minute, and I'll separate that into a separate video. So thank you for watching. I hope this helps you in your quest to become an operator, distribution, wastewater, or water.